Today I'm talking about the ALLPOWERS portable power station. And sorry if it's loud out here. You know what? This is van life. It's down and dirty sometimes. And, you know, that's just what it's like to be outside all the time, or most of the time when I'm traveling. So if you don't know, I live in a van. I travel cross country. And the first year I didn't have a power station. And I can't tell you how much easier having a power station has made my life. So I am going to bring you a look closer and show you all the features that this power station has. First of all, I love the sleek look of this. And this is how you're going to turn it on. So here we have two USB outputs and two USB outputs. And right here is your LCD display, and it shows your output and your input. This is your carport output, and this is really nice. It has 4 AC outputs. Right here is going to be your DC on and off, and this is going to be your AC on and off. On the side here, you have an AC input, an overload protector, and a solar/car input. And on this side, you have 2 extra battery connectors. And on top, you have 2 wireless chargers. There are 4 ways to charge the ALLPOWERS power station: AC, solar, auto, and double AC plus solar. The solar generator kit also comes with a 200-watt polycrystalline solar panel. The solar panel has a high conversion efficiency of 22%. It's foldable and portable, durable and splash-proof, and compatible with most solar generators with MC4 connectors. The foldable solar panel 200 watt is constructed with durable and waterproof IP66 nylon and adjustable bracket. And it can help your devices receive the most effective sunlight safely. It has a smart Wi-Fi and Bluetooth control function, and it's easy to realize by connecting with the ALLPOWERS app via Wi-Fi. A power station has been invaluable to me in my van life. Here are some things that I use it for. I plug in my cooler. I make my breakfast with it. I also use it to blow dry and curl my hair in the van. I charge my computer with it, and working remote, it really comes in handy and I can go anywhere. I plug my phone in with it, which is really important because that's what I shoot my videos on. My friend Keith is a chef and has his own YouTube channel, and we bring it outside so that we can shoot his cooking outdoors videos. So you can see just how convenient it is to have something like this ALLPOWERS power station. You know, there's so many different ways of living now. I live in my van. There's people who live in their cars. There's people who live in sheds, tiny houses. And a lot of times you don't have easy access to electricity. And, you know, charging your computer to work or your phone, all those things are everyday necessities. And this is something that you need. Like I said, my first year, I did not realize what I was missing out on and how much easier van life could have been that first year. And I was just learning everything. So had I had this, it would have made it so much better instead of stopping at gas stations or restaurants to plug in and charge everything. You too can get this, and I am going to leave you the link in the description down below. And ALLPOWERS has also given me a code so you can get some money off on this, and you too could have this. And again, it's good for your home to have backup power in case your electricity goes out, anything like that. It's just a nice thing to have to keep all your electrical stuff charged and ready to go. Flashlights, computers, phones, coffee pots, you saw anything you can think of, this is what you're going to need. If you want the convenience of having a backup and an emergency backup too, this is what you need.